Are you facing a black or white screen when opening the CapCut app on your iPhone? This usually happens due to software glitches, outdated app versions, or temporary cache issues. In this video, I'll show you how to fix CapCut black or white screen issue. So let's fix it right now. Before we start, make sure you have a strong internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try airplane mode on and off. Force quit the CapCut app from recent task and open the app again. If you're still having the same issue, then try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Offload the CapCut app. First, open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now, scroll down and find the app. If you can't find the app here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on the app and then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Solution 2. Free up the iPhone storage. First, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Remove unwanted large files or unused apps from here. Tap on the app you want to remove. Then tap on Delete App. Finally, tap the Delete app again. Solution 3. Check your software update. Open Settings, tap on General, then tap Software Update. If you find any software updates available, then update your iPhone software to fix this problem. Hope your issue is solved by now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.